Hello, this is Sparklekits, a wire-free, screen-free building and playing kit that allows kids between 5 and 12 to learn the basics of coding, electronics, and engineering to let their creativity run free. Unlike other coding toys, Sparklekits doesn't require any programming background knowledge and doesn't require a screen. Sparklekits is open-ended and allows kids to learn and explore through tangible play using physical puzzles, cards, and functional modules to build and program whatever they imagine. At the core of Sparklekits are intelligent puzzle pieces that interconnect with each other, and magnetic add-ons like wheels and the brain. It's impossible to get it wrong, so kids only experience positive reinforcement, building confidence and create an environment that invites creativity and experimentation. Sparklekits comes with Builtin Fun. There's a floor-filling game challenging kids to use their logic and sense of space to land the Galaxy Explorer back on Earth. Compose and record melodies using the tone cards and music module to bring music into play. The LED module comes with color cards to mix and match colors and discover how light works. Challenge your friends to a physical showdown with the infrared module to see who has the fastest set of hands. Sparklekits comes with purposefully designed engineers' motors that are safe and fully programmable to bring ideas to life with real motion. Sparklekits are LEGO compatible, so kids can bring their brick creations to life with everything that Sparklekits has to offer, including motors, sensors, light, and sound. Using the magic RFID cards, kids can program their LEGO to do whatever they want while learning the basics of programming. We've spent countless hours engineering Sparklekits to create seamless invisible technology that enhances play rather than restricting it. As parents ourselves, we want our kids to have the confidence that they can build and do anything they want. We can't wait to share Sparklekits with you, and we're so excited to see what your kids will build with it. Thank you for backing us on Kickstarter.